Pozovite njih da vide.
Izvolite volonteri.
This song tells about friendship and how it's beautiful it is.
Evo, ja bih želela da vam se zahvalim za sve ono što ste učinili za nas
Ivane prevodi.
i našem kampu.
She would like to say thanks for everything you've done here for them and for this town here.
I to se zahvalim ispred udruženja građana Šansa.
And to say thanks in front of the
Citizen Association of the Chance.
Citizen Association of Chance
Kao resurs centra za Braničevski okrug.
as a resource center for Braničevo County.
I ovo je jedan mali poklon za sve vas.
And this is just a small gift for all of you.
Naša tradicionalna srpska torta naših baka.
This traditional Serbian cake from all the way from Serbian
Puna
grannies,
čokolade.
full of chocolate.
Evo je.
And she said that she hopes that we will see all each other next year.
Thank you. Thank you. Izvolite.
Thank you.
Okej. A mogu oni priđu pa svi zajedno